You've tried willpower. You've white-knuckled through cravings. You've told yourself, just don't do it 1,000 times, and failed 1,001. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Willpower doesn't work because it's fighting the wrong battle. Every time you suppress an urge, push it down, ignore it, distract yourself, you guarantee it comes back stronger, like holding a beach ball underwater. The harder you push, the more violently it explodes to the surface. But what if the key to mastering your body wasn't resistance at all? Stay with me. The next 30 days of your life are about to change. This technique is called urge surfing. It was developed by psychologist Alan Marlatt in the 1980s as part of addiction recovery research. Today it's used by Olympic athletes, Navy SEALs, and therapists worldwide. Not just for addiction, but for any impulse you want to master. Food, social media, anger, procrastination, substances, negative self-talk, all of it. The core idea is beautifully simple. An urge is a wave. It rises, peaks, and falls, usually within 20 minutes, whether you act on it or not. Most people believe that if they don't give in to a craving, it will just keep building forever until they break. That belief is the trap. It's factually wrong. Urges have a natural ceiling. They always pass. Urge surfing teaches you to ride that wave instead of fighting it or drowning in it. You become the surfer, not the ocean. Here's what's actually happening in your brain when an urge hits. Your limbic system, the emotional, primal part of your brain, fires up and floods your body with dopamine-seeking signals. It screams, "Do it now, do it now, do it now." Your prefrontal cortex, the rational decision-making part, is trying to pump the brakes. But here's the problem. The limbic system is faster, louder, and evolutionarily older. In a direct fight, it usually wins. Traditional willpower pits these two against each other. And under stress, sleep deprivation, or emotional strain, the prefrontal cortex loses almost every time. Urge surfing bypasses the fight entirely. Instead of engaging the battle, you activate a third system, your observational awareness. You become the witness to the urge rather than the participant in it. And the moment you observe something with calm curiosity, its power over you begins to dissolve. Neuroscience backs this up. A 2011 study published in Substance Abuse found that urge surfing significantly reduced relapse rates in smokers compared to standard suppression techniques. Other research has shown it reduces binge eating, impulsive anger, and even compulsive phone use. The wave doesn't disappear, but you learn you can ride it. Now let's get practical. Here is the exact 30-day protocol. No guesswork, just execution. Let me save you from the mistakes most people make. Mistake 1, expecting the urge to disappear. Urge surfing doesn't erase cravings. It changes your relationship with them. The wave still comes. You just stop being afraid of it. Mistake 2, only using it for big urges. Practice on the small ones daily. Practicing on easy waves is how you prepare for the big ones. Mistake 3, judging yourself when you give in. You will sometimes act on an urge. That is not failure. That is data. The protocol continues. Consistency over perfection, always. Mistake 4, rushing past the body scan. The physical location step feels strange at first. Do it anyway. Dropping into the body is what breaks the mental loop. Don't skip it. 30 days. That's all you need to rewire the way you respond to your own mind. Not by fighting harder, not by being tougher, but by learning to ride what was always going to pass anyway. The ocean doesn't stop making waves, but surfers don't drown in them. If this helped you, share it with one person who needs it. Drop a comment telling me which urge you're targeting first. And if you want the full 30-day tracking worksheet, it's linked below. Free. I'll see you on the other side of 30 days.